Hello viewers, once again you are welcome to my channel. Today I am going to show you in this video how you can create an inverter from a UPS. UPS is the universal or uninterrupted power supply used in those days for desktop computers. Yes, nowadays we now use laptop computers, so the concept of UPS is gone. So most of the UPS, all of them are damaged and are now thrown away. So if you can get a UPS, old one, I'll show you how you can use it to create an inverter, at least 300 watts inverter, which can power your house, at least power the light points in your house. So in order to do this, I was able to get some old inverter that was thrown away, and we have to open it. This is the inverter. Most times what damages is the battery or the inverter. So if you are lucky, it is just the battery that damages. Then I'll show you how you can now reconnect the inverter inside it and use it to drive, at least light up your house, charge your phones. You can also use it to drive your fan, drive your TV. It will help you, but you don't have to overload it. At least use it to charge your phones. You can also use it to create light in your house. So this one was gotten from, as you can see, it is rusty, it was packed, it was abandoned for a long time. In some of these cyber cafes, some of these computer centers, they don't use it again. They just throw them away to people that buy scrap material. So for as cheap as 1,000 naira, which is about $1 or $2, you can get it. So most times it is the battery that is not good. So let's open it and see what we have. So with my power screwdriver, so we will now open it. You can see that's what we have inside. So it's just simple. What we have is the inverter section, the transformer, and the battery. So we gently bring out the battery. So we gently bring out the battery. Gently and quietly, calm. Okay. So bring out the battery. This battery you see is you can check if the battery has some power. How do you check it? You use a digital voltmeter to check if the battery has some power in it. But most times it is the battery that goes down. It is the battery that goes down most times. So this goes through here. Current. red, that is positive. As you can see, the battery is dead, flat, it's completely finished. It's completely finished. So let's now check for other options. This is very simple. Then the battery is normally connected to 2 wires here. This is the red wire, this is the black wire. See, this is positive, this is negative. So let's just test run it. I'm going to use a 12 volts car motor battery to test run it. So battery. Negative. It is specified here. We use minus represents negative, so you place it. Make sure it is firm, and place this. This is positive. If this powers it, so we'll now switch it on and see if we'll get any signal. There is signal. So that shows that there is power in the system. Let's see if it has a... So I'll bring out some light points to show if these light points, these are LED lamps designed not to consume current. Each of them is about 5 watts or 10 watts, so that it saves you power. So let's see, you see what I mean? Yippee! You see, you have electricity here. So this bulb can be on all through the night, As you can see, from a UPS that was thrown away to refuse dump, we have been able to generate electricity. 220 watts. You can plug your phone at the back, create a socket, it will charge, or there is a problem. The problem is, if the battery goes down, how are you going to charge it? Again, it's another story for another edition of what we are going to show you. Next, we are going to show you how to charge this battery. You can get a conventional battery charger and put to it, or you can also design your own battery charger. We in this channel don't believe in buying everything. We use salvage materials around us. Things we can pick up from the refuse dump, things we can pick up from the scrap man, things we can pick up from anybody that doesn't have any need for anything, things that are worth nothing, and we use it and make it and convert it to something very, very important. So do us a favor and subscribe to our channel. And turn on the notification button, share the videos, and drop a comment at the comment section. Let's see how what we're doing really affects you, or the corrections that we need to make. So we are going to couple this into a finished product. We are going to make a hole here with our soldering iron, pass these wires properly, and cover it again properly, so that it becomes a complete and compact device. Then after covering it, then we'll come back and test it again for you to see what it now looks like. So we are going to use our soldering iron to make a hole somewhere at the plastic part of this. So we might make 2 holes. So very good, the hole is going in. Cool. Okay, now having made the 2 holes here, so I will pass first the negative one. I will pass the negative one, then I will make a round knot. So in case this knot is to prevent it from, in case there is a pull, so it doesn't go out. So I will put this here. So in order to make it very strong, I will use my plier. And get a grip. It's not strong enough. So I'll make sure I grip it properly. Very good. So it's very strong now. So sellotape is next. So I'll use the sellotape to ensure. As you can see, I will tape it properly. So the same goes to the red wire. So as you can see, this we have completely supplied this. It now has terminals. So we can still test run it again and check. This is negative terminal and this is positive terminal. So bingo, is on, as you can see. So we're the last stage is now. So the next thing is just to cover up this, and our inverter is ready for takeoff. Okay, the coupling now is complete. The final product is here. As you can see, the way it is, positive to positive, now negative to negative to the battery. So it's time for final testing. Don't forget to like this channel, like this video. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel for more notifications. Turn on the notification button. So as we're saying, once we switch it on now, we test the lights again. So we test the lights again, and we even measure the voltage. Let's start from measuring the voltage that the system is bringing out to really see what is giving us, whether it is energy friendly or not. Let's see. Here we go. So let's see the maximum current to get from it. It's about 200 and it ranges between 220 volts alternating current, as you can see. So we are converting 12 volts direct current to 220 volts alternating current. So finally, we are trying to check what we have done. As you can see, the light is on. It is on. So we want to say a very big thank you for watching our video. Don't forget to subscribe, turn on the notification button, and share the videos. What we have done so far is to convert a salvage UPS, old UPS, to something useful to our homes. You can use it to charge your phones. You can use it, it can lighten up your house. It can do so many things for you. So you can see that you can get so many things you want from things that are thrown away. So this is our channel. If you have not subscribed, please subscribe, turn on the notification button. Thanks for watching.